Understanding, scouring for, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, scouring for. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it will help you enhance your language skills. Let's dive in. Scouring for is a phrase that combines the verb scour with the preposition for. To understand this phrase, we first need to break down the meaning of scour. Scour means to search thoroughly and vigorously. When you add for after scour, it implies searching intensively for something specific. This phrase is often used when someone is looking for something with great effort or when they are examining a place very carefully to find something. To better grasp the use of scouring for, let's look at some examples. 1. The detectives are scouring the area for clues. This means the detectives are searching the area very carefully to find clues. 2. She spent the whole afternoon scouring the internet for information on the topic. Here, it implies that she was doing an in-depth search online for specific information. It's easy to confuse scouring for with simply searching. The key difference is the intensity and thoroughness of the search. Scouring for implies a much more diligent and exhaustive search than just looking around. Also, remember that scouring is often used in contexts where there is an urgency or a significant need to find something. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion about the phrase scouring for. Remember, it's all about searching intensely and thoroughly for something. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.